Hi! Today I will show you how to fold a sheet of paper to make a 16-page zine. And Miss Kiki will help me today with the cutting. If you need help, you can reach out to your parents. First of all, you need scissors to do a little cutting.
And then grab an apple and eat it?
No! They're just kidding. Let's start with a paper. A very big paper. We need to fold the paper in half. Once we have the line in the center of the paper, we can fold it again to the center. When we finish on one side, we can repeat it again on the opposite side. But it really doesn't matter the order you fold it, just as long as the creases are correct. Once you got the right creases, with the sheet that you just folded exactly like mine, it's time to cut.
It's our moment to shine! Only cut down 3 pages and leave the last page intact.
After you finish the cutting, we'll make the cover on the upper left and the back cover on the bottom left.
Don't forget to lay the paper out on the upside down side.
This is how the cutting should look. And we need to flip the paper. This is how you should place your pages. Pay attention to the upside down numbers. Each row flips. It is really important that the back cover is on the other side of page 16, as pictured below.
It is very important to check the back cover.
We're getting close. Fold the paper according to the creases. If you follow the fold from one page exactly as the creases are, you should get 16 pages.
Let's get the drawing started!
Draw your story from left to right. Then turn the paper over again and repeat the same step. Great work! We're almost there.
You can draw something on the front cover and back cover if you want.
See you guys next time!